Hi traders, Ken Calhoun from Day Trading University, Trade Mastery, and Trading the Open here with another winning trade walkthrough of the day. Here's a real money trade I did in Micron. I alerted my members for a long over 42.3 today. Knocked it out of the park. Did a really good breakout play. We're going to take a look at that and a couple more charts coming right up. Again, I'm Ken Calhoun, Trading the Open. As always, all information is for educational use only. So anyway, what's up with Micron? The reason that I alerted my members to it pre-market was the gap up. Now what you see here is a bullish cup, and what's notable about it is resistance at the whole number. So I'm a big fan of playing off of whole number support and resistance. So I buy above whole number resistance and sell into support. Buy above resistance and sell into secondary resistance, which often becomes support, and then we get another leg up. So anyway, this is Micron Technology, did a really good cup pattern. I went long right here successfully and knocked it out of the park. So these type of chart setups are relatively easy to find. Now another one that was on our watch list was SPI, and I traded this one as well. You can see this guy, we alerted our members to it for long over 508. You can see it ran all the way from 320 up to 7 before pulling back. And a couple of dead cat bounces. I tried trading both of them without a lot of success. The big move was the early one pre-market. And you can see it really skyrocketed up nicely from 3 to over 7. Other good momentum plays. WDC, Western Digital, did extremely well, running all the way from 48 to 52, and VKTX, another nice big momentum runner. We had plays in Dust, long over the breakout at 1780, and it ran up a little bit, kind of moved up and down. JNUG, the opposite ETF, that's the short bear gold ETF. JNUG is one of the long ones that I trade. I trade this one, JNUG, really nice move up, a V pattern here, and recovered nicely into the close as well. So lots of high volatility charts to work with. But the spotlight trade of the day is Micron Technology's long over 42.30. That's really consistent. You know, it's fine playing around with some of the small cap pop and drop stocks, and we cover those now every single day in the room. Whatever the peanut gallery out there, as I call them, is trading the undercapitalized people that trade cheap stocks. That's fine. I cover them for everybody now too, like SPI and BPTH earlier, and so many others. But these kind of charts that have consistency, like our long call in AMD earlier, or Micron today, or Twitter did good yesterday, are all worth experimenting with and testing out. And when it comes to making bigger winning trades more often, your goal is simply to make money. And here's another quick parting thought. Often you'll find a large moving day is followed by a flat day. AMD had the same pattern as did Twitter. So I wasn't real keen on Twitter today because it had a previous large candle day. If you look on the candlestick chart here, like he's in the 3-month chart, you can see oftentimes this pattern, a large day followed by a flat day, kind of like a inhale excuse me, an exhale, or expansion and contraction, however you want to think about it. So just because you had a big day one day doesn't mean you're likely to see the same pattern the second day. In fact, often the opposite is true. Much like a gap day, you'll often see a resting or a mean reversion pullback day on the day after. So trick is to be on the right side of your trades. And again, as I've taught so many thousands of traders at Day Trading University and now Trade Mastery and Trading the Open over the last 20 years, we're really looking for charts that follow simple, easy to follow patterns, which is what my live room members get at www.tradingtheopen.com. We have nice good patterns like this guy where we've got small gaps that move up sharply after the opening bell. And you know, the thing to trade these, the way I was able to get a fill on this was not by manually following it. I put up the order and I showed all my members before the opening bell, so that way when it runs, it doesn't run without me. You know, if you've ever missed out on an order fill of something that skyrockets up right on the opening bell, and you know what I do is I use buy stop limit orders. So I had a buy stop order in for this guy up at the 42.30, and you can see it filled. If I had been trying to hotkey my way into it or whatnot, I very likely would have gotten shaken out or missed it or whatever. So it's much smarter to use automatic buy stop orders to have the broker do the heavy lifting and get your fill at the price that you specify ahead of time. And that's what I give my members, is they get this alerts box every single day, and we've got triggers for, you know, hot stocks. Sometimes some of them will hit, some don't, but at least we have the long triggers and the short triggers set up before the opening bell for the benefit of our members. So anyways, I hope that one gives you something to think about. The pattern, minor gap, bullish cut breakout, going in long 30 cents above the whole number, and did really well with it today. So, and again, just 100 shares, this is $4,000 worth of the stock, but it was a winner, and that's always a good thing. Anyways, until next time, trade with passion, trade with tight stops, trade intelligently, and trade with me, or learn with me, paper trade with me at tradingtheopen.com. See you guys next time. Bye for now.